All right, Heath, here we go. This is actually the last box of Tops Dynasty we have, period. Here we go. This stuff, man, ridiculous. We were just talking no redemption yet this case. We haven't had any case without a redemption yet, but I don't think there were any, by any means, a case hit, but we've been hitting them. Let's see what we got going on here. No redemption. No redemption. All right, I think it goes this way. What is that? Dale Murphy, 2 of 10. Nice patch. And the good news is there are a couple of guys in the group who I'm pretty sure will buy that if you are selling. Dale Murphy, 2 of 10, 3 color patch auto.